Welcome to the very first episode of Tech for Techie. I'm your host Monica and I'm super excited. You are here because starting today we are going to explore what's happening in the tech world but in plain English. No Jordans, no confusion, just real talk about technology. Like you and I are sitting together and discussing it. This week, we'll chat about how tech giants are investing billions into AI, a serious cybersecurity incident you should know about, and a startup that's making big waves without being a big corporation. Ready? Let's jump in. So, imagine this one cloud company invests 50 billion US dollars into AI. That's almost like funding hundreds of startups together. And that company is Amazon Web Services. Starting 2026, they are building advanced AI and high performance computing systems, especially for the US government. Why? To help with cybersecurity, foster drug discovery, and even national level data processing. This is the first time ever a commercial cloud company is building such a dedicated infrastructure for government use. That's massive. AWS has been supporting government tech for years, starting with GovCloud in 2011, then launched a secure top secret cloud in 2014 and another secret region in 2017. Think of it like exclusive VIP cloud rooms, but for classified projects. If you're wondering how big is AWS, in 2025, AWS held 29% of the global cloud market, ahead of Microsoft Azure at 20% and Google Cloud at 13%. Let's pause for a second. What does this mean for us? It means AI is no longer something just startup works on. Governments are now preparing to use AI for critical decisions, maybe even life-saving ones. It also means AI jobs, cloud computing careers, and high-performance computing knowledge will be extremely valuable. If you are someone thinking about tech careers, this is a future worth preparing for. Let me give you a simple example of AI impact. Today, drug discovery without AI take years. With AI, companies like DeepMind help predict protein structures in hours. So now, imagine government researchers using supercomputers powered by AWS for similar breakthroughs. That's why this investment is so important. Alright, let's switch gears to cybersecurity because with great tech powers comes great risk. Recently, there was an ransomware attack on an emergency alert system called Unsolved Code Red, run by Crisis 24. It affected Craven Country in North Carolina. Here's the scary part. User data like names, phone numbers, email IDs, maybe even passwords was taken. Although nothing has been posted online yet, the risk of a leak still exists. Okay, let me ask you, how many of us reuse the same password on multiple platforms? If yes, this is a wake up call. After the breach, users were advised to immediately change their passwords. Authorities are now building a more secure emergency alert system. A quick takeaway for you. So don't reuse the password and never use your main mail password everywhere. Security isn't about IT anymore, it's a daily life skill. So now let's lighten the mood with a quick tech bite. Think of it like tech espresso shots. Supabase, a super popular platform among vibe coders, raised 100 million USD at a valuation of $5 billion. What's cool? The founder keep rejecting huge enterprise contracts because he believes in staying true to product vision. Lesson here is sometimes focusing on what developers love can be more powerful than chasing big deals. This week, one clear message stood out. AI is just isn't just coming, it's already here. It's spreading up medical research, improving logistics, protecting national security, and even helping food companies launch products faster. Yes, even HelloFresh, a leading meal kit provider, uses AI to reduce design and production time from months to hours. So they can deliver recipe cards quickly based on food trends. AI is moving from innovation to automation and soon to expectation. In future, companies will not ask, should we use AI? They will ask, why aren't we using AI yet? So tell me, if you could ask AI to solve one real world problem, what would it be? Think of it. I would love to use such responses in an upcoming episodes. And that's bring us to the end of our first episode of Tech for Techies. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. If you enjoyed today's talk, make sure to follow the podcast. Next week, we'll explore how AI is changing jobs and whether humans should be worried or excited. I'm your host, Monica, and until next time, stay curious, stay techie, and remember, technology isn't just about machines, it's about people. See you in the next episode. Bye.